Today we are making an cool experiment. But before I start, I have a question. Do you think this water bottle is empty? Yes or no? But if you said yes, let's find out. Here are the supplies you'll need for today's experiment. Two water bottles, one small water bottle. So these have to be plastic for the experiment to work. We'll need a candle, scissors, an object with like a sharp edge, just like kind of like steel or something. For my end, I will use a food coloring to show you guys like how it's working, because like water's like transparent, like it would be kind of hard to see. Two straws, hot glue, and that's it. So let's start. For now, the measurements for our bottles. Remember, the middle one should be capped and the other two should not. For our first water bottle, we need to the measurements from the bottom. We need to go 12 centimeters up, and where you see the dot right there, you need to make a hole right there. And if it's difficult to make a hole, you could ask for adult supervision, adult to help, or anything. For our second water bottle, we have to, so this is the only bottle where we have to go like exact same size. So for this one, we have to go 4 centimeters up and place a hole right there, and exactly right behind it we need to also go 4 centimeters up and place a hole right there. Okay, that was our second water bottle. And for the last one, we need 4 centimeters also, the exact same. Go 4 centimeters up from the bottom and place a hole right there, and that will be your measurements. But don't worry, you will also need like an object to put the small bottle above, so like it will kind of help the balance of the water when it flows, when we put inside from here back right here. After you're done making your four holes, one right there, and there, you'll need two straws to allow the water to flow from one bottle to another. And while you make the hole, make sure the straws fit in perfectly, because right here, as you can see, I hot glued the straw to it so no water is allowed to like fall out, and it will be better to like keep your area clean and the experiment to work way more smoothly. So now it's time to put the water in. Alright guys, for our next step, we will add some food coloring into an okay amount of filled water of jug. So let's add the food coloring. I will be adding food coloring because it will be very easy for you guys to see it, because like water is transparent and it's like difficult to see through video. So now let's add our food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll add 5 drops. I use the metal thing to like stir it up. And remember, if you want, you can use it. If you don't, it's absolutely fine. Okay, now it's time to add the water into the first one, which the one with the one measurement of 12 centimeters. Let's add it nice and slowly. And if it spills, it's absolutely okay, but make sure it's in an area where you can clean it absolutely perfectly. That's it. Okay, now as we wait for the water to come right here, use the straw to come there. We will wait for the other straw right here to be covered, like and filled with water, and you will see something pretty cool. Okay, the water. If then every time you have to fill the water up because it will run out. All right, now you can see the progress working right here. The water from here to here is now on the move. So right here you see the water pouring out. It's actually working pretty well. I didn't think it would work, but like yes. So like this was a pretty cool experiment. Now let's see what what will happen if I remove the top of this bottle. Alright guys, after now, I've been doing this for like a few minutes. I pour a lot of water in here, and like as you can see, like it actually is filled. Now, before I take off this cap, I have been do you all remember the question I asked you in the start of the video, which was like if this water bottle is empty or not? So now we will find the answer of this answer. So I'm gonna unscrew it right now. So as you can see, all the water that was right here is now being transferred right here because air. The answer is air. This water bottle was never empty. There was also always air inside it because like some people because like air is not visible with the naked eye. But yeah, so air was in this water which was stopping the pressure of the water when it was flowing down here, and air had so much pressure in it which helped the water to go all the way up here to here. And when I unscrewed the cap and the air was released, all of the water from here was being transferred in this middle bottle. So yes guys, that was it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed, and be sure to try this experiment at home if you want. This really was a fun experiment, and I will see you in the next video guys. Have a wonderful summer, and remember to always keep going.